Your new pre-owned vehicle is much more technologically advanced than vehicles of 6 or 7 years ago. If anything breaks down, its sophisticated components are usually replaced, not repaired like in the past. You are 100% responsible to pay for any repairs to keep yourself on the road. And breakdowns can become more common as the vehicle gets older, even though you chose a quality pre-owned vehicle. And more expensive. Labor costs are going up each year along with the cost of components. Don't let high repair costs cause a breakdown in your financial planning. Keep your monthly budget more predictable. Protect yourself with a Portfolio Vehicle Service Contract. Your Portfolio Service Contract covers repairs to selected component systems. We offer 3 levels of repair coverage and recommend high-tech coverage, which covers many of the most sophisticated components. Your Portfolio Service Contract provides roadside assistance for emergencies, including a towing benefit if a breakdown is caused by the failure of a covered component. And even more benefits like substitute transportation for certain covered repairs when your vehicle is in the shop, and reimbursement for some of your lodging and meal expenses if a covered breakdown occurs more than 100 miles from home. Finally, if you sell your vehicle to a new owner, you can transfer your vehicle service contract to them, which can increase the value of your vehicle. Speak to your dealer representative to customize the right service contract for you and your vehicle. Protect your monthly budget from unexpected repair costs that always seem to come at the wrong time. Ask your dealer representative to add a Portfolio Vehicle Service Contract to your vehicle now. Protect your ownership experience.